You said you never forget. Too soon? I don't know. So I got on my cellular telephone the other day. Everyone goes, woo! I got a cell phone. And I called up my buddy and I was like, Josh! What are you doing? And he said, yo, MC! I'm fucking this chick in the ass. What are you doing? I'm like, oh, it's funny you say that. Because I'm fucking this chick in the mouth. And then we both look up at each other and we're like, hey! What are you doing in this beach parlor? I'll talk about it later. I'm gonna bitch about Captain America tonight.